Friends, this is about 8 commands in C#. In this session, we will learn about single line commands, multi-line commands, and we also have an introduction to XML documentations commands. And there is a big deal to learn about XML documentations commands, which we will be talking in our latest session. Okay. And what is the commands? Commands are basically used to document what the program does. Let's say have an examples. If you are writing a very complicated or very confusable code in your applications, and if you want to know other developer what this line of code does, and that situations you can make use of these commands. Okay, here we have put commands in a 3 way, that is like single line commands, multi-line commands, and XML documentations commands. And have a look at an example here. Just open your Visual Studios. I have opened on console applications. Within the main method, I have this some piece of code like this. I want to comment. The first command is a single line commands. Okay, and this is the single line commands, // and write a message here. Here I print some messages. Okay, some messages. This is the single line command, and these commands will be ignored by the compiler. The compiler does not care about whatever else is here, it will ignore. Okay, and this is the single line commands, and you can comment it also. Okay, this is also ignored by the ignore the line, and also you have to ignore this that line and fourth line. And in here this is the single line commands, each row it's ignored by the compiler. And instead of using the single line commands, you can make use of this multi-line command to document your block of code. Okay, here just uncomment this. Here is this symbol to uncomment. Okay, and just delete it. Now I want to make use of this multi-line command. How to put the multi-line command? Here is the code. So one / and put on asterisk here, and here asterisk and one /. This will make this multi-line command. This whole part will be ignored by the compiler. Okay, and this is this multi-line commands, and that one is this XML documents commands. And what is the uses of the XML documentations commands? Here just delete it, and here just put console, just select it and have a place on it. Here they look at the intelligence. What is it says? Represent the standard input, output, and error streams for console applications. This intelligence says is console application, the console class which used for input, output, and error stream for console application. And where it is coming from, just right click on your console and go to definitions. It's coming from this metadata. Okay, and this is the message. We have this metadata. Okay, then only we get a message here, and just close it. Okay, here we have this metadata that tell what is console. This Windows is open, represent the standard input, output, and error stream for console applications. Okay, and now I am showing this XML documentations commands. So what is the usage? Let's say you have this another class, which class name is sample. Just examples, public class. I have this sample class. Just put it sample class, and just put it empty here. And I want to call this sample class within my main class. How to call this? With the use of this object. Okay, sample and o is equal to new sample. Okay, here you put this sample means it does not show anything. Okay, it does not have any messages here. Okay, but I want to say these classes you used for something, and how to say this with the use of this XML documentations comments. What is this XML documentations comments? How to put it here? Forward slash and again put a forward slash. Okay, I'm going back to our application and put in our class above one forward slash and put again. Okay, here you have a message. This is I have a message on that. This is a sample class and XML documentations example. Okay, now you put it here, put it our sample class on a sample class. Okay, here intelligence says this is a sample class and this is a sample class and XML documentations example. Okay, this is this very useful of our XML documentations. Okay, and there is a two way to put our comments. The first one is using the designer. This is for comments. Okay, just click it. This will comment our code, and this is used to comment our line of code, and this is for uncomment our line of code. And we have also used is another way, which is the control just space control K control C. It will make this line of code for comments. And how to uncomment this with the use of this shortcut key? Again put control K control U. This will uncomment for us. Okay, and have a look at it for refer. And that's all today. Have a great day.